All right, so this is a house that we did a fix and list deal on. The renovation was $80,000. Assuming this is gonna increase the value by about $120,000. We don't know yet until it sells. But if you go back and look at our old videos, you can see what this looked like before we did the renovation. There was a massive tree here. There was a little pond, a bunch of snakes, and you could barely even see the house. You know, now it's like the nicest looking house on the block. If we look around, ours really sticks out. But new landscaping, new irrigation really made this house pop. And I guess I'll show you what $80,000 did. That's the landscaping, repainted the outside, new front door, new side door back there, all new flooring, new kitchen. There was a wall right here. You can see where the floor registers, they did come up, and this little knee wall is about this tall, kind of a dated thing. We ripped it out to open things up. Put new pendant lights in. There was nothing there, so we added that, a pendant light. New appliances, all new door hardware, new carpet, new paint, completely gutted the bathrooms. So this is new vanity and countertop. New toilets everywhere, new tile and shower pans, or a shower pan. The other bathroom has a tub. This is how far $80,000 will go. And this was actually a manufactured house that you can take a manufactured house that often has cheaper finishes in it, rip the finishes out and put in nicer stuff and have a really high quality looking property, even though it's, you know, it's still a manufactured home and it still affects the resale value, but you can kind of push the upper end of what a manufactured home would bring. These were wood colored doors, so we sanded them all down and painted them white to make it look more modern. This particular house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Nothing special here, you know, just regular bedrooms. So that's what we're up to on this one. I guess some takeaways. There was a really heavy, stenchy smoke smell in here. In fact, the walls were like stained with cigarette smoke. We ran a ozone machine in here for 2 weeks solid with the doors closed. You know, 1 week solid on the front end, and then after we finished the renovation, another week solid. And now there's barely a trace of it. So like, it works really great. It doesn't cost much. You can buy an ozone machine for like $700 or $800 and just use it over and over and over on property after property. So that really helps. But, that's all there was to this. Oh, that $80,000 also included new roof shingles. So we didn't do new siding, but we did paint the outside. We did a new front yard. We got rid of all the weeds in the backyard, just kind of mowed them down. It's a new furnace, new roof shingles. We did not have to replace the water heater. We did replace cabinets, countertops, plumbing fixtures, all the electric fixtures, the front door and the side door. But if you have any questions, leave them below. Hopefully you picked something up from this one. It's a good look at how you could take a manufactured house with shitty old furnishings and nicotine stains and just old crappy house and make it really pop and look like a nice new model showroom. Thanks for watching.